Meaning of hatchery.
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 Hatchery. A hatchery is a facility designed to incubate and hatch eggs, particularly those of fish or poultry. The process involves carefully controlling the temperature, humidity, and other environmental factors to ensure the best possible conditions for hatching. Once the eggs have hatched, the young animals are typically raised at the hatchery until they are old enough to be moved to a larger farm or released into the wild. Hatcheries play an important role in supporting agricultural and fishing industries by providing a reliable source of new animals and helping to maintain healthy populations of fish and poultry.